From simply playing games to throwing thousands of dollars to own properties, here is a list of top ways to make money in the metaverse. How to make money in the metaverse. Although opportunities are limitless in the metaverse, the following avenues have already shown real results with even more growth potential. Before watching the full video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications. Play to earn games. Perhaps no industry has a more straightforward path to success in the metaverse than the gaming industry. Metaverse-like virtual worlds have existed in the industry for years in the shape of online games. Fortnite, one of the most played video games of the last decade, made headlines when it organized a virtual concert within the game. Money is there to be made both via content creation through Let's Plays, game development, and its sale. But the most significant opportunity to earn money through gaming in the metaverse for everyone else is through in-game assets and NFT games, such as Axie Infinity and The Sandbox, offer players the opportunity to earn money by simply playing these blockchain-based video games. Each game has a different method to earn: travel and tourism. With the boost in the popularity of Metaverse as a concept and how it is enhancing the way we can travel the world, travelers should be able to look at the accommodation options before planning out their holiday trips. This shows a considerable business opportunity for travel businesses and the hospitality industry to utilize the Metaverse platforms and showcase their products to attract new users worldwide. Trading virtual property in the Metaverse. It seems like an idea out of a science fiction movie, but the reality is often stranger and more profitable than fiction. Real estate flipping. Virtual plots can be purchased and then flipped for a heftier price like other digital assets. Trading digital art. Undoubtedly the most polarizing subject on social media today is non-fungible tokens that have taken the world by storm. NFT have proved to be the most lucrative money-making property in the metaverse for digital artists and owners alike. Even some of the most famous celebrities on the planet have bought these artworks. Owners flip their NFT for high margins, and it seems like the highs keep on coming. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications about crypto-related videos.